What's going on, guys? We're out here with Mac Landscaping and Lawn Care. Today I'm working with my boy Tallon and John Piper, and we are here at some house that they got to do a leaf cleanup. So check out the leaf trailer. 18 horsepower debris loader. This is a 5x10 trailer, and they got the leaf box on there. Take a look inside. So we're gonna be taking care of this yard today, blowing the leaves, sucking them up, getting it done. 3 guys. Probably should take about 35-40 minutes. We'll see. We'll give you a little after shot when we get done.
You know how much this leaf cleanup costs? $2 million. This is like, and I don't know what everyone else is charging, but you know, with the sticks and the twigs and everything in the backyard, we're doing this for 300 bucks. This is like standard price around here. We'll be here for, what do you think, 40-45 minutes maybe?
Yep, that's,
you know, we're gonna burn a ton of fuel, but you know, no worries, no big deal. There's a leash, just be careful, you don't trip. There's a dog leash somewhere around the street. I eat shit all the time. I fall like once a year in this yard. This dog. Yeah.
He's as tall as the tree.
I just do that with it, keep it out of the way. But all right. Billy Goat don't care if it's wet, nor do the 9010s. They just don't care. It's soaked. Like, look how wet this driveway is. Soaked. The whole lawn's soaked. Like, Billy Goat just don't care.
So according to the camera, that took us 45 minutes.
It didn't feel like it. It felt like a lot less. Mustache, baby. It's November. You like that? I know you do. I know you do. I know you like that.
We're still gonna go back through, go blow one more time, just to get any of the small little stuff that may be lingering around, but it looks pretty good. It's Tallon.
I was waiting for you. You always gotta try.
Weak sauce.
You always gotta try.
Well, check out, here's the front. Looks a lot better. I think the customer will be happy. The Billy Goat don't care. That's gonna be.
Don't care.
That's the name of the. That's gonna be the name. Look, neither do these 9010s. We just pulled up to the next two houses. Here we go over here. Piper is gonna trim all of the bushes and all of the shrubs and everything over here. And then down here at this house, we're gonna do a quick leaf cleanup, blow out all the leaves in the front yard, and this little one's down the back. We don't have to go into the backyard or anything. So it's just this right here. Blow it out to the street. Suck it up with the leaf buster. All right, guys, so we just finished up with these two houses. Piper did a lot of the trimming over here. If you could see, he trimmed all of the bushes, all of the ornamental grasses and everything. And then over here we had that a small little leaf cleanup. This whole thing, both jobs, we did them at the same time. Piper trimmed everything over there while me and Tallon blew this yard off over here. And we got both jobs done in under an hour. Now we're about to go get some lunch, but check this out. We just pulled up to job number 4, which is just sucking up some leaves here at a daycare. So all we're gonna do is rake these things right down to the street, maybe leaf blow a little bit and suck these bad boys up, and then it's time to go to lunch.
He's an Eagle Scout.
Are you guys hungry?
Yes.
You're not
big dinner.
Look at this dude.
I'll go have a Betty. I'll go have a Betty side view.
All right, now we're about to head to the dump. We'll catch you guys when we get over there. So we just got back to the Tallon shop to dump these leaves, and then we're gonna go get something to eat. Your boy's starving like Marvin. Check out this. You see all these leaves? These boys been getting it in. Leaf busters. Look at all that.
Mark keeps getting stuck. This is what's left. The trail, like, this is where the actual trailer is. So we still have 2 feet of actual.
Here, we'll roll this up on top. Hey.
Boys are 7 feet out here in these streets, man.
Stop it right there. Is that all of it?
That's all of it.
Keep going. Alright.
That thing was packed full, man. Sheesh.
Oh, yeah. There we go. This trailer sucks. Went on to me, didn't it?
You gonna jump in it?
Go ahead. Go ahead, big boy.
We've been working for what, 6 hours?
Something like that.
Total income today was probably like just under 1,100, and then with helping everybody fuel everything, probably profited like 850 bucks in 6-7 hours.
$800 in 6 hours. You can't beat that. Now we're gonna go get something to eat. Have what? You said a bevy?
I'm gonna have a bevy.
He's gonna have a bevy. We're gonna get some food, and I hope you enjoyed the video, man. It was an awesome experience getting to hang out for these 6 hours, shoot some videos, do some leaf removals with 2 of my favorite people in the whole world, Tallon with Authority Lawn and Landscape, and John Piper, 7 Ways Lawn and Tree. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.